Hey girls, how are you? I hope all are fine. My name is John. In this video today I am going to tell you a new brand where you can get free products and answer of many clients like that what is Acusling Apparel, where is base, and this brand is scam or legal. So please I have request to you that see complete video because at the end of video you get amazing offer. So let's start the video. Start from what is Acusling Apparel. Acusling Apparel is a brand of products like leggings, bikinis, cosmetic. Here you can see that it is a Acusling Apparel website and main page. So it is a brand where you can get leggings, bikinis, cosmetic, makeup, lovely tops, swimsuits and lingers etc. So how you can get and how it is work. Basically Acusling Apparel is based in USA and this brand is not scam. This brand is legal, 100% real. No scam. It is legal. I have bought many products from here and successfully received. Acusling Apparel send you free products. You have just pay shipping cost. Only shipping cost. All of product is free. In my next video, I will tell you how you get free products and how you shop from this website. So don't worry, it is not a scam. It is a proper 100% real brand and you can also get all of products free. You have paid just shipping cost and shipping cost is very cheaper. I am also going to share a link in video description where from you get more reward if you place an order using the links, and tell you some Instagram accounts to follow and get amazing offers and get rewards. All of them is in video description, like accounts name of Instagram where you can find it and how you can contact us and how you can DM of any inquiry. I am also going a link in video description where you can see the customer reviews who receive successfully order and provide feedback. So many clients are worried and thinking that Acusling is a scam. So I am telling you that it is not scam. It is 100% real and legal. You can place an order without any hesitation, without any worried. So if you have any question you can comment, or if you have any more question, any other things, I am giving you Instagram's account in my video description. You can find and direct DM on that accounts on Instagram. So thanks for watching. If you like this my video, please share and comment and subscribe our channel for updates and more related to this video. Thanks for watching.